Hey everyone, welcome to the very first episode of BERT'S Tutorials, where we teach and you learn. Now, you may or may not have heard about Abro. Abro is a premium brand known internationally for quality and reliability. They carry a wide range of automotive products, including lubricants, additives, service products, specialty products, and much more. Now, BERT'S Auto Parts is the exclusive distributor of Abro products here in Jamaica. Today, we'll be servicing this 2013 Nissan Sylphy using Abro products provided by BERT'S Auto Parts. Okay guys, let's go. Alright guys, so the first thing we'll be doing is draining the oil from this engine, alright? So we'll be doing that by pulling the bung. It uses a 14mm bolt. So we have a 14mm socket here and we're going to go ahead and pull that, alright? Alright, so as soon as it's loose, we begin to unscrew and we set up our oil drain, alright? There we go. A little bit messy, but that's fine. So we leave that to drain. Alright guys, so now that we've drained all the oil, we're going to replace the bung, which is this 14mm bolt. So we hand tighten. And then we torque it with the ratchet. Alright, make sure it's nice and tight. Alright, next thing, we're going to be changing the oil filter, alright? And for our new oil filter, Abro Premium, we're going to be throwing some fresh oil in there. To prime it. Alright, so as soon as that is full, and wipe a little oil around the seal, and then screw up. Alright, get it nice and tight. And that's it for our oil filter. Alright, see you up top. Okay guys, so the next thing we'll be doing is replacing all that oil we just drained, which was a little over 4 quarts. Alright, so the first thing, opening the oil filler cap. Here I have a short funnel. Put that right in there. And we'll start pouring in our oil, alright? We'll check our oil level when we get to around 4 quarts to kind of see where we're at. This is Abro 10W30 synthetic blend motor, alright? You can pick this up at any BERT'S location. Alright guys, so as you can see, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3 to service your vehicle using Abro line of products. Make sure you go to your closest BERT'S location and ask for Abro. Alright, when you go there, use discount code Abro takes 10 and you'll get 10% off your next purchase. Alright, see you guys in the next tutorial.